All right, let's do this thing. Welcome to the post market. What do I want to call this? What is this technically called? Why am I drawing a blank right now? Post market analysis, post market review. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank. It's in the afternoon now. I don't know why I'm drawing a blank, but it is Monday, January 22nd. Earlier this morning, I posted my pre-market analysis before the market opened up, getting into the details of what I had anticipated from market open. My intention was to go live, but this is my first time ever streaming, recording, so it turned into a bit of a mess. So that is not going to be posted, but this is my post-market analysis, post-market recap. That is what I'm thinking of. Post-market recap of what took place. So let me go ahead and share my screen. This is what we've got. Long story short, price hit TP, and our pre-market analysis was correct. But let me walk you through it. So on the 1 hour prior to the open, I actually was looking for longs. I had said that if price were to continue to sell down, because at the open price bought up. But I had said if price sells down at the open, sweeps these areas of liquidity, I would be looking for longs and I'd be looking to buy back up because there were a few inefficiencies left in pre-market. But I said if price does the opposite of that, if price buys up, sweeps the high of pre-market, which it did, I would be looking for short-term sales. And that's exactly what happened. So on the 1 hour, we were, and still are, pretty bullish. On the M15, I took a look at the pre-market, and these were the two inefficiencies I wanted to see price fill. Immediately at the open, price bought up, swept the high of day, swept pre-market, and filled in these inefficiencies, and that's why I felt comfortable taking sells to the downside, because there's so many areas of liquidity to the downside. Drop down to the 5-minute. The 5-minute candle, this 5-minute candle did not sweep liquidity pre-market or high of day, but I always include the wick of the candle afterwards, and this candle did. So I drew a box right here. I waited for price to close below this candle, and it did. And when it closed below this candle, it also broke structure to the downside, which also signified to me that price wanted to, in fact, sell. I got in at around 17,408, and I took TP at TP2 at about 17,355. I caught 50 points, which isn't so bad. I don't know if you can see it right there. I don't know if this will focus. But 50 points caught, fairly simple. It actually went down to hit TP3 and TP4, but I got out about TP2, saw this little pullback here, decided 500 pips, 50 points a day is fine by me. I'm trying to pass this challenge account. And to be honest, it's been a bit of a journey. So if I can secure 50 points a day, 500 pips, then I'm happy. And if I see a rejection at an area of interest, but I've already met that 50 point goal, I guess you could say, it's not like a hard goal, but if I've reached 500 pips, 50 points, and I see price rejecting, then I'm just going to go ahead and close out. And that's exactly what I did. So that is the post-market recap of today, Monday, January 22nd. Again, my intention is to be able to have my pre-market analysis before the market opens, live trade. I probably won't be streaming live to YouTube just yet because I want to continue to stay focused. So my intention is to record on my own and then to post my live trading. Again, this is mainly for me so I can see what's going on in my head and like my thought process and walk myself through it and have a video journal. But I'm going to be posting this to YouTube because at the end of the day, if you can gain value and insight from my personal trade journals, then why the heck not? But that's it. And that's all. Thank you so much for tuning in to this video. I hope it has served you some and has been helpful. I am excited to be a YouTube girly now. And yeah, lots more to come. So would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel first and foremost, if this is content that is beneficial to you. And then in addition to that, like this video if you have the opportunity to do that as well. Okay, that's it. I will see you tomorrow for my pre-market analysis, and we'll start it all over again. Bye, everyone.